This is Anton from Drive Stick Shift, and today, guys, we are doing a coolant flush and a coolant hose repair. It is a 2023 KTM Duke390, this beauty right here.
Alright, so usually I see in the newer ones people pop off the shroud. We're going to try to just do it without the shroud. A little extension, boom. We're just going to use that to crack it open, see if that works.
Stop. Take a little break sometimes. I'll take the cap off. There's like a, I think there's like a...
Got to go lefty-loosey on it. Got a lot of ground cleaners, do you, homie? I love the beard.
Like,
yeah. Alright, I got this boy off. I'm going to pop this now.
So this is the coolant right here.
Yes, that's your overflow tank. And this is where it goes into your radiator right here. Radiator, all the coolant goes through. These are the fins, so when you drive, the air blasts through here and it cools down the hot coolant.
Yeah, very quiet.
Here we go. So see, it's not green anymore. Yeah. That's it. We just want to flush out all that old coolant and give her a little bit of an extra drain. All right. So 8 mil of the drain. We're gonna feed it on. Also, anytime we do any kind of job, whether it's gonna be coolant or oil, whatever, you always wanna make sure that you wipe it all down. So this way, if anything does leak, you know that it was after you did your work. Like it's not possibly a stain from before. Okay, put the drain there just in case. Boom, boom. Okay.
Oh, you have to take both off?
Yeah, top and bottom. There we go. So our coolant hoses, they usually get caked on. So you just give them this little right-left wiggle. Pop that out for now just to work a little better. So you see she's caked on here. That just happens with time and heat. We get some pliers, we get a rag around them, just because if the hose isn't fucked, I want these teeth to be able to flex it.
Yeah, why would it? Well, do.
To get our new hose, gotta get band clamps. Put your band clamps on there prior to fitting it on. Try to make sure that wherever the head is pointing, it'll be more accessible, so we don't got to fight from the inside of the bike. I always heard work smart, not hard. And now as I get older, I can actually take it to heart. Yeah, absolutely. But one thing I'm planning right now is I think we got more. We'll get these open. So here we have this much on the actual nipple. Here we have less. All right, you know what we can actually do with the clamps? I'm gonna tighten her down. That's starting to smell good. Okay, so I want to keep filling. This is cracked open. About 2 rotations. Just want to start filling. Okay. want all the air bubbles to come out. You see how she's kind of bubbling a little bit? Just a very minimal amount.
Keep going. Keep going. All right, bet. You're at the bottom line now.
To get it running, we want to get it up. The operating temperature, we can hear the fan kick on. Want to check that we don't have any leaks. Everything is good. And we can be adding to our expansion tank. If again, expansion tank, we want to keep it right in the middle of these two. We just have it a little above the bottom line. All right, here. Hold it. 2 weeks.